Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, did I start talking too soon? The page just refreshed.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Again, par for the course. How the heck is everybody doing? Oh, this is going to be an interesting one. We're looking at Haiku. Or BeOS or BeOS. I still haven't figured out how you're supposed to pronounce it. I'm guessing it's BeOS.
Yeah, I have the user guide open and it looks like it's not going to be great.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You may notice that I have a co-pilot. This is Teal.
That be me. I'm back. Hello.
Yeah, I decided that a co-pilot would be wise for this because there's a lot of moving parts and trying to keep track of everything I think might be a bit of a challenge. So having somebody off to the side can be helpful, I think. Is everybody having fun? Tonight, this morning, whatever time it is?
Hello, lot.
You having a good time, Teal? You having fun?
I am, yes.
I vote to make this the theme song of the show. I love this song. Okay. I got my notes. You guys let me know how the chat and everything looks. This is a little bit different. So what we're doing here, do I mention this in the notes? I think I do. I do, actually. Yeah, let's start with the notes, then I'll get it installing. I'm not going to install it first because it installs so fast.
Okay.
Yeah, if you're not in the EGIO Discord server, too bad. You'll have to wait to find the script. I don't think the scripts are going to work here, but we'll see. Hey, everybody. It's EG Ya DJ. I said on Twitter that the Distro Delve show is 60% Linux and 40% music, and people seem to agree with that.
Yeah.
Call myself a DJ. We've got a fun and different episode planned for you guys. Haiku with a co-pilot, a lot of new stuff, a lot of new music. I'm going to be playing some music I have not played. Past couple streams I've kind of like replayed music that we've already done. And this time we're going to have some different music, and I'm really excited about it. I know that you're going to like it, Teal. I wish that there was a way for you to tune into the music, because you're going to hear every song and be like, oh! That's what I'm going to do, too. Even though I've heard all of these songs 5 million times, I love them. So, Haiku is a spiritual successor to the old 90s operating system called BeOS, which you most likely have never heard of, or if you have heard of, you probably read about it. You didn't actually see it. It wasn't very successful. Maybe Teal can talk a little bit about the history of the operating system later. I've only done kind of a cursory sort of thing.
But I've done the same thing, but I can look into it.
Okay, it was designed to compete with Apple in the 90s, and it didn't work out, basically. So it died. So I could see doing a video about, are we getting a live performance today, hinting at your tweet? Yeah, I have my, I've got my guitar. I've got an amplifier ready to go, and I've got my guitar all hooked up, and if it feels right, I will play. No promises though. It's got to feel good. What was I saying about that Haiku? It's a desktop user's operating system, so it's not like server at all. It's really interesting. I'm excited to show it to you guys. Because Haiku is a little weird, the agenda will be equally weird. Jam Cat. Yeah, let's see the Cat Jam. Let's see cat jams. That'd be cool, but I don't think YouTube does animated emojis like that.
Oh, that's only better.
Twitch, yeah.
TV? Yeah.
Yeah, I watch Twitch streams and people just have these big blocks of cat jams, and it's awesome. Oh, shoot. Let's see here. So, Haiku has a ton of apps. It has its own software center, and there's a lot to cover here. And I'm doing it all in a VM because it didn't agree with my hardware. If you want to see the train wreck that was me trying to get it to run on my hardware, you can watch the sound check on Twitch. It just totally didn't work. And you can also hear my other guitar that I've taken pictures of. It's the Les Paul, and the intonation is just really bad, and I don't want to fight with the tuning. So I'm going to be, if I play, I'm going to use a different guitar. So I'm going to try to follow the checklist, but it's going to be a little dicey because I haven't even tested. I'm not even sure. Okay, I have the... Oh, I don't. Well, I'll try to do the media tests and stuff, but it's going to be a little weird. I should have prepared better. And I'm unsure about how to destroy this thing. A lot of the file system is read-only, so it's possible we just might not be able to.
Oh, that's going to be interesting.
Yeah. So, got good music in store for you. You guys are going to like it. If you love Distro Delves, you want to support the show, you got options. Super chat, stickers. I read a dad joke for every super chat or sticker, and I've got a couple of them locked and loaded. I'm excited to talk about. You can follow me on Twitch. You can follow me on Twitch, actually, but you can follow me on Twitter, Patreon, and of course, subscribe and ring that notification bell too. And that's all for the notes. It fit on one page.
Nice.
How about that? That was not planned at all. I'm pleased. You know what I do? I actually write the notes and everything in Notion. It's not easy to print from Notion, though. So I copy all of my notes and put it into gedit, and then print it from gedit.
Oh, interesting.
Gedit has a surprisingly robust print feature. Like there's a button for printing, and you can edit. It's really, for a text editor.
I've never used it, so I didn't even know it was there. I've used gedit, but not for the print feature.
I like Zed and gedit. I used to like Kate and Kwrite, but it doesn't look right, and it doesn't behave right on non-Qt or non-KDE stuff. All right. Welcome to Haiku. Are you excited, Teal? I'm excited. This is going to be fun.
I'm curious. Don't know about excited.
So I'm using VirtualBox, and I'm scaling it. So it resizes the resolution, and the resolutions are really weird. So I'm scaling it so that it stays like a reasonable resolution, and I've moved it off to the side so the chat will show up. We thought Haiku erased you. Yeah, on the sound check, I died. At the very end of the sound check, there was a death. And I died. That was it. The end of EG. In that universe, EG died, and nobody really knows why. But luckily,
I was going to say, who resuscitated you?
Oh, that EG's dead. It's gone. But this is a different universe, and I'm still alive. I'm alive and well.
Okay. Oh, how are you recalling that from a different universe?
That is a great question. We can talk about that another time. So, welcome to the Haiku installer. This is important information before installing Haiku. This is beta quality software. It means that there is risk in losing important data. Make frequent backups. You have been warned. Man, there's Linux distros that need a disclaimer like this. Instead, they're like, hey, this is alpha, but feel free to put all your stuff on there. Oh, something crashed and now all your data's gone.
BeOS does that.
A Chinese operating system mined crypto? Wow. I don't know. What was it? I've never even heard of that. That's crazy. All right, if you're installing Haiku on some real hardware, you may want to prepare. I tried that, and it didn't like my wireless card and stuff. The installer will make a Haiku partition itself bootable. That was something else weird that happened. It kept booting from the USB. The virtual machine didn't seem to do that, so we'll be okay. We can actually get into the operating system. So we're installing from the USB. We're installing it on to the VBox hard disk. Now, we'll do the packages in a second. I don't have to set up the partitions, but I want to show you because this is kind of cool. BeOS, or Haiku, has its own file system. Is Haiku a Chinese distro? No, not at all. It's I believe that the Haiku Foundation is based out of Rochester, New York. So if anything, it's a US-based Linux distro. I don't know anything about the BeOS file system, but
yeah, it's unique that it has its own.
I for some reason I really dig file systems, and when I see something that's unique like this, it's like what is going on? Why you can use FAT32? I don't know what NT file system is. Is that NTFS? I don't know. BTRFS, but it's grayed out. What's that about?
NT file? That sounds like a Windows file system. How did they get that?
Maybe it's like pre-NTFS.
Maybe.
I don't know. But we're going to go with BE file system, and you can choose the block file.
Does it say anything on
Oh my
the
goodness.
user guide?
Mr. Wattlesplash with a penguin PFP. Haiku developer here. Thanks for trying out Haiku. It's always exciting to see new users. I hope that you stick around because I've talked about this before. I know Linux distros really well. I know Windows pretty well. Thanks Streamlabs. I've never used Haiku. So if I'm ignorant, please let me know. And we can work through some of the stuff. I'm using a VM because I couldn't get my hardware to work. Maybe that was a user error. I'm not sure, but I'm very glad to have you here. In terms of dad jokes, what diet did the Ghost developer go on? They went on the Boolean diet.
That one was pretty good.
You know, I'll have you guys know that Teal is a drummer, IRL.
Mm-hmm.
And how cool would it be to have him do tish when I read these?
Oh, I don't have a mini. Oh, dang. That would have been great.
Man, that was a gnarly one. Thanks again for that super chat. I appreciate that. I'm very happy that you're here, Mr. Haiku developer. So let's go ahead and format this guy. It's been successfully formatted. Oh, I haven't played with these before. Open with disk probe. We're down 2 jokes. That was only 1. I've got a couple more locked and loaded though. Change parameters. I don't know if I should be messing with this stuff. Open with disk probe. Oh boy. This is verbose.
Oh, what?
Oh, look at the accelerators it shows. That's cool. Oh, I
don't even know what I'm looking at.
Yeah, I'm not sure either. I gotta check the audio. I want to make sure that the music isn't too loud or anything. Oh. I wasn't expecting this song. I'll take it though.
Oh. The Haiku developer says NTFS is indeed the NT file system Windows.
Oh, interesting. And we support it via lib ntfs3g. Would not recommend installing Haiku on it though. Mm-hmm. Man, this stream is great timing because you're setting up a 9-year-old dual-core laptop as a server. Yeah, that's excellent. I like live streams for that too. When you've got something that you're doing, like, is just put a stream on. It's going to be on for a while. All right, let's install this guy. Okay, are you guys ready? Somebody get a timer. Let's see how long this will take. Let people get ready for this extremely long install.
Does FairOS have a timer on it? It does. Hold on.
Teal's running FairOS, by the way.
Oh, I can't drag this window. Okay, but I don't even know how to start it.
Haiku really depends on extended attributes, which only BFS properly supports. I see. Interesting.
All right, I'm ready.
Here we go. Done.
Oh, it didn't even... Oh.
That's
Somebody else is going to have the time for that.
Maybe 5 seconds, maybe. And it took this long on my hardware, too, so this isn't just a VM. This thing installs so fast. It's incredible. I think that Solus was the fastest OS that we've ever seen on the show. Haiku blows it out of the water.
Yeah.
4 seconds. Almost 5 seconds.
Solus takes like a minute.
Yeah. Which is just blazing fast.
Right.
Look at that splash screen.
I do like the splash screen.
And boom, we're in the OS. Just look how fast that was. Haiku installs so rapidly because it only has a few hundred files to copy. Most of the system is stored inside compressed file system images.
Oh, interesting.
Imagine installing an entire operating system in less than 5 minutes. Just boom, snap your fingers and we're in. Oh God, no. Oh, I don't have a pen. Just a second, I gotta get something to write with.
Okay. Fastest installing OS or something? Yeah,
All right.
that might,
Don't mind my
I'm
chair.
sure that's probably a record.
Oh yeah, I should update the Distro Delves webpage to include records so that we can keep track of this stuff. You know what? I think I might do that this weekend. I'm going to update the site and add records. I think that the site still, I don't even think it mentions the live stream, so that needs to be updated.
It's faster on an NVMe? Oh no.
How could it be any faster? Just snap your fingers and boom, it's installed. So that's the installer. There's no welcome app. There's just like about Haiku, so no welcome app. 230 megabytes memory used. And
wow, that's really low.
And
that might be a record too.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, how many seconds does it take for Farron to start becoming toxic? That's a good question. You'll have to ask Teal that.
Oh, I know what's being referred to here. I guess we'll find out. The
welcome app on the beta version, nightly builds are very minimal. Oh, did I grab the wrong build? I'm not sure how we'll go to the BE website, or the the Haiku website. I had no reason to say that. I don't know what the hell my brain's doing. It's like, exchange this word for this one.
You're getting mixed up.
Yeah, I am. I'm always mixed up.
It happens.
230 megabytes. Haiku looks like, is that a bug? I like it, actually. It's different. It's refreshing. When you cycle through Linux distros, like on the Distro Delve show, we're looking at Linux distros, they all wind up looking and feeling the same. Like when you use so many of them, they're all kind of the same thing. So when you look at something like Haiku, is just completely different. It's refreshing. 230 megabytes of memory. There's a quick tour included on the website if you want to look at that. Okay, we'll get there. How can I see what the disk size is, like what the footprint is? 4 kilobytes? I don't think that's it. Drishel's here. Tracker, about system, we got that open. Oh, I wonder if it's here maybe? Quit an application, memory usage. Oh, wow, look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. Kernel team? Gone teams? Wow. About process controller. Oh, this is so fun. This is, when I started Distro Delves, this is kind of this is the stuff I had in mind. I wanted to look at all this, like, just random stuff. Like, I've known about Haiku for a long time. I've never used it. So I asked my patrons what they wanted to see. And all but like 1, maybe 2 people said Haiku. Like, I mean, it was, everybody wanted to see Haiku. And I was very excited about it. And I'm still excited. I'm like in a toy shop. This is great.
This is very interesting.
Look at these apps. Look at this. Demos, preferences. There's so much going on. But how can we find out what the install size is? That's what we need now. Disk usage. 8 gigabytes. That's how did it install 8 gigabytes in 5 seconds?
Well, most of it's compressed apparently, so.
Wow. Holy smokes. I was expecting like a gig or 2, not 8. Oh my god.
Wait, how did it install and then did it decompress anything?
I don't even know. Oh, is this the size? Ah, okay, I was reading it wrong.
Oh, no, that's like the entire disk, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah, it helps when you're not like dumb like I am. Okay, so 2 gigabytes, 2.3 gigabytes for the main partition, which is boot, which is really odd coming from Linux world.
Yeah.
And then boot/system var is okay, so maybe one of the Haiku developers can help me interpret this. Does this 2.3 gigabytes include the 1.9, or is it closer to like 4 gigs if you combine the two?
Well, I think it's all combined, doesn't it?
It sounds like I need to update the stream title because this is the nightly build, which is a bit different. Which on the flip side, that means that we can revisit Haiku in the future when there's like another like big release. I'll keep an eye on it, and then we'll revisit this. So this is a fun first try. Disk usage might be counting the uncompressed virtual disk in addition to the actual disk image. So this is probably more conservative in terms of the actual size. So would it be safe to round it to 2 gigabytes or 3 gigabytes? Either way, this is I'm pretty sure that Windows 3.1 was smaller, just virtue of the fact that it's an old operating system. But this is the lightest modern operating system.
Right.
Crazy. Just crazy. HTOP, there's no HTOP. See, I thought I updated that because there's no HTOP, but there is a process monitor. Stop it. Hover, click. Okay. So memory usage, and we already looked at this. It was something crazy low. Where did we see that actually? Is this?
I don't remember what window that was in.
Yeah, I don't remember either. It was low though. So the kernel is eating most of it. The actual disk space is mostly taken up by system packages. Most of the files in the rest of system are not taking up actual space. Interesting. Is Wine available on Haiku? That's a good question. Why is there a black bar on the right? Because VirtualBox, this Haiku can only go to 1600 by something in VirtualBox, and when I full screen VirtualBox, OBS won't capture it for some reason. So this is how we captured Windows 3.1 when it was on Distro Delves and people were happy with it, so that's what we're doing. Nobody has ported Wine yet. Help wanted. That would be cool. How about that for a video? I'm playing Windows games through Wine on Haiku. I'd do that. I'd do it. It'd be fun. I would do it to this music. I'd play like a racing game. Oh, you have to set a custom video mode in VBox Manage. Yeah, forget that. I'll wind up screwing it up. Oh wow. What did I just do?
Oh. Is that like a priority list for processes?
Yeah, I guess so. Can I change it?
I think, didn't you just do it?
I don't know what I did. I was clicking buttons. USB Explorer, real time. Dunzo. Where'd it go? I'm doing weird stuff. You can't change priority of kernel threads, but yes, you can change them. Okay. Okay, so if we go to somewhere like, well, let's open a demo and we'll change the priority of that. How's that for a demo?
Oh, so that's like the Vulkan GLX gear stuff.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Nick fired up Haiku in VMware and got a kernel panic. Boom! Lucy, I wish I was more savvy with C++. I'd totally help porting stuff. I mean, you can test it. You can test it. You can write documentation. Contributions aren't always code. Of course, like documentation without code is kind of pointless, but still, I mean, don't feel like you can't contribute because you definitely can.
You could throw this anywhere and then test a bunch of stuff and then report that. That's contributing too.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. I changed it to urgent. Oh, I like this song a lot. You know what somebody needs to do?
What?
Somebody needs to port Neofetch. Yeah, this teapot is drifting like crazy. I'm imagining Initial D with this teapot, like. But we need to get some Neofetch in on this.
It's more of a barrel roll, but sure.
Okay, well maybe it was drifting and it flipped, and it's just
Could've
barrel
been.
rolling.
Yeah.
Neofetch runs on Haiku. Uh-oh. Well, we need to get that. Software updater, people, installer. Where is it? Where's the install center? I can't remember what it's called. Depot? Something Depot, isn't it? Haiku Depot. Yeah, this teapot's hauling ass. It's in VM. It's a VirtualBox too, so. All right, no system D. We could look at the system logs. See, again, coming from the world of Linux, I mean, I just open up a terminal and type in dmessage, but I have no idea where to find it here.
Yeah.
I like it. I like being lost. It's fun. Oh, PKG. Okay, let's try the CLI then. Preferences. Oops, not preferences. We want like terminal, right? Terminal. Welcome to the Haiku shell. Yes. Looks like Linux to me. Yes, teapot screensaver happening when. Is there sudo? Okay, there's no sudo. Had to try. PKG man. Okay, PKG man. Yeah, I know. I see that. Look at the CPU up here. It's devour. That teapot is very hungry. But let's just keep opening stuff and see how much the teapot slows down. Oh, it's a interesting. Okay, so PKG man, install Neofetch. Let's see how intuitive it is. Writing on a drifting teapot. Man, that sounds like a fever dream.
Oh, it's doing it.
Hey. Oh, look at that. Can we change the colors? Oh yeah.
Oh, you can. All right.
I don't hate this color scheme. It feels very 90s in the best way.
Also very like Windows command drop.
Yeah, I like this a lot. That what's up with Shredder? Why am I user at Shredder? Did you guys like Ninja Turtles? I don't like that one.
Oh, retro is cool.
That's okay. Midnight. I like the blue. Stop it. What are you doing? I like it, but not enough to stare at it. That'll hurt my eyes. Shredder is the default host name. I actually don't remember the lineage on it. Let's go with Ninja Turtles. The original developers were fans of the Turtles, so they went with Shredder. Shredder's a bad guy, though, so I don't know. I don't know about that one. All right, we'll close you out. We got Neofetch. How does everybody feel about that? Nick, you found some weird English to Dutch translations. Hey, man, fix it. Fix it up. Submit some PRs. Got to get that short up. That's what open source is all about. Never did find the system logs, though.
Yeah, I don't know if there is. There probably is a way, and we just don't know how to do it.
I don't really like this song. I think I say that every single time it comes on. I don't like it.
There is a find window that you can open. You hit Alt F.
Okay. Log. System logs are a text file. Okay, so there's no... Whoa. Okay. That's cool. I'll take it. That's a pretty robust find feature, though. Look at that. It's still going.
Yeah.
Better than some Linux finders. Okay. So, is this the system monitor, or is there something else that we can look at? This is fine, but if there's a standalone system monitor, what's power saving? Didn't do anything. Oh, it's like a power saving mode. I see.
Oh, interesting.
Be united. Okay. You can use activity monitor. Install some Slayer. I keep doing that. Like, I hover over it and it doesn't pop up fast enough, so I click it and I open another window.
Oh, yep, activity monitor right here.
Oh wow, this reminds me of XFCEs. Look how fast it's refreshing.
Yeah, that is a lot like, oh, what is that called? Just...
What is this distro based on? I don't know. What is this distro based on?
I don't even know if we can call this a distro.
It's a distro of BeOS. How's that? Oh, it pops up slowly because that teapot is going bananas in the background. That makes sense. All right, teapot, I think it's time to pull the plug.
Oh, GL Teapot. It is OpenGL. Okay.
Red, green. Oh, that's slowing it down. Can I move it? Like, is this a game? Turn some fog on. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's add another teapot. Oh, man. Now we're going crazy. Let's do another one.
Oh, now it's really slowing down.
There we go. We got teapots for... Anybody want some tea?
Oh, man.
I don't want to turn it off.
Well, now it has to stay.
Yeah, I can't turn this off. This is too good. Yeah, that frame FPS. How do I switch workspaces? Let's... Oh boy. It's having... That looks like XFCEs. Alright, I gotta shut this down. This is making the whole thing look bad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, no.
Uh-oh. We had our first crash.
It hosed up. Oh boy. Well, the GL Teapot caused it to crash and burn. Can I just restart it, I wonder? I don't want to send the shutdown signal. Just restart the stupid thing.
Oh, it wasn't even Haiku. It was VirtualBox, wasn't it?
I don't know. There. RIP. GL Teapot was keeping the system stable. Alright. I guess nobody wanted tea. Alright. Now look how snappy it is. There we go. Let's see what kind of styling you can do to the UI. Noto Sans is the default.
Stack? Oh, you can tile stuff? That's interesting.
Oh, okay. So Haiku kind of modernized it a little bit. Probably check out Micro. It's probably in Haiku. Okay. Poisonous tea. So it supports different styles, but there's nothing really loaded. Can you get new styles, or is it because this is the minimal nightly? Maybe that's why.
Oh, maybe, yeah. You can look in the package manager and see.
Yeah. I like this song. Move you over there. Oh, you changed them individually. Oh boy, that's a lot of work. Okay, well, install Haiku extra package. Okay, let's try it. Let's open the terminal up and run that. PKG man, install extra. Oh, it's not found. Let's open the old depot.
Maybe it's dash instead of underscore.
One thing I can say about this is it's Haiku extras. It feels really fast. There it is. Look, it's already done.
Yeah.
I don't know how big was it? 38 kilobytes maybe? Either way, this feels really fast. Anything? Oh, change the controls to be not much of a difference. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. It's okay. Not everything needs to be customizable. This is cool. To be fair, I don't think I've ever seen a Linux distro look or behave like this.
I don't know if you could get one to behave like this.
Oh, package man search. Good point. I should have searched for it. Wow. VVV is here? What?
Oh, weird.
Telegram is in this? Oh, wow. Okay, we'll save this for a little bit later. We'll go into the apps in just a bit. We're not there yet. Wow, there's more available on this thing than I thought. Somebody actually wrote a motif control looking field decorator. Oh my god. That's wild. Oh, you have to restart application. Oh, I thought I did though. Nah, we'll get back to it. Now, the part that I'm excited for, we're gonna go through all of these apps. You do anything?
Oh, there's even a mail client.
Yeah, there's tons of stuff. It's awesome. Add graph? What is this? Oh! Oh, you can just stack stuff on top. That's kind of funny.
Oh, there is Qt for Haiku, but it's not based on it? Interesting.
Wow. Raw clipboard, media nodes, running applications. Wow, there's a lot going on here. Yeah, let's keep this open. Oh, my dog, Haiku. Have you used it? Where cynical Y-Wolf? Character map. They have cute support, don't know what version. 238, solid footprint, yeah. So character map, Cody Cam. Wow. It's all very, very basic and very simple. In a good way.
Yeah.
Just debugger. Desk calculator, okay. Oh, I like this song. Man, I like this playlist. Disk usage, we'll scan this. Yep. Move the CPU.
Like 50, or no.
I don't know why this song reminds me of the Jetsons for some reason. Devices. No Crisis. I don't know if this will run Crisis. We're cynical. You've played with it. You've never actually used it. Does it have Python 3? That's a good question. I don't know. Drag and pull the little handle on the right corner for desk calculator. Right here? What does that do? I don't know what that does. Can it run Minesweeper? That's a good question. Oh. Oh, does this just like blow everything up? Or it enlarges it or something? What does this do? Oh, okay. Eh.
Just a bigger version, or is that supposed to be full screen?
Oh, actually, that's a good point. I don't know if you can full screen apps. Okay, that minimizes it. Okay. This is so cool. I love this. Okay, I guess this is full screen. Haiku does have Python. That's great. You can grab the little handle to your desktop and add an app to your... Oh. Okay, so if I grab this right here... What?
Oh, and then it becomes a widget. Interesting.
Oh, here's how you resize it. Okay, I got it. Oh my gosh, you can resize it infinitely. At this point, you might as well invite... Come on board. This is so cool. This right here is awesome. So that's what these little, I don't really know what you'd call them, but they become widgets.
That's actually cool. There's nothing like that in the Windows or Linux world that...
Well, I mean, my take on Linux stuff is that there probably is, and it's probably really half-assed or half-baked.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like you could get a desktop to behave like this, but it wouldn't be good.
Right.
Like stuff would be crashing, and it wouldn't. You know how Linux is.
Right.
And I mean that in the most endearing way. That is just how Linux stuff is. It's weird. You can do that on Windows. I don't know about that. It's probably on Linux, but half-baked. Hold the super key and drag one of the windows to the title bar. It is the super key? Okay, so grab the super key.
I was just gonna say,
Oh.
Dominic, that, yeah, KDE is the closest to that.
Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a single window with different apps in it. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This just gets like cooler and cooler. This is awesome.
I was gonna mention that. I just read about that a couple minutes ago.
Oh my gosh. So how do I get rid of
Get
these?
them back out, yeah.
How do I get rid of these? I don't want them anymore. There, it's gone now. Bye. There, it's not my problem anymore.
That's one way to do it.
It's the easy way. Iconomatic. You want to make some new icons?
Drag the handle to the trash can, of course. We didn't think about that.
Drag the handle to the trash can? Where is the trash can? Oh.
It's on
Oh,
the
there.
desktop.
Yeah, that is very Mac-like. That's straight out of Mac. You should install Theme Manager and get some themes. Okay, we'll do that now, but I'll play with the themes in a little bit. I'll do it now because I'll forget. Where'd the music go? What's this song? It sucks. Oh, now it's FM84. Okay. Oh, PKG Manager. And then what was it called? Theme Manager. Haiku ports. I love how passionate the Haiku people are about the operating system. Is it the people like the maintainers of Linux distributions are just grumpy?
Yeah, it seems like that.
I mean that in the nicest way, Farron. Like you're a good dude, but let's be real here. Linux distro maintainers are generally just grumpy. Magnify? Oh my lord.
Farron is toxic.
Who said Farron is toxic? Who said that? You can try the icon screensaver to see all the icons in the system. I love the icons. They're really good.
Didn't we just get something? It's not near as smooth as that. We just got something that does the same thing, doesn't we? Or didn't we?
I'm not sure. Look at this adorable mail client. It's so simple. Like if you open something like Genie, there's all this stuff going on. Look, this is just... I mean, to be fair, where would you receive mail though? Is this just for sending it? Accounts. Real name, yourself. IMAP, POP3. Pretty straightforward mail stuff. I've had enough of mail stuff. Man, for like weeks I've been doing mail related stuff at work and I'm over it. I don't want to have anything to do with mail ever again. Media player, that's cute. You know, all of the apps have the same style. Nothing looks out of place.
Right.
Emails are just files. Mails are dumped in. Oh, okay. So it's like postfix. It just waits for files to get dropped in and then it sends them out. I see. Preferences, screensaver. We'll get there. I'm working my way down the application list. Look how many apps we have open. And we're not even through all of the applications. Look at the memory usage. Let's go back to the activity monitor. Memory usage is 400 megabytes. Wow. That's incredible.
With a bunch of stuff open too.
A Linux distro would be 2 gigs by now.
Oh yeah. Well, what am I sitting at? Let's look.
What if someone gets a cockroach in the mail? Well, rip.
3.4 gigs.
I like the built-in reverb.
Oh, it has
Cool.
reverb? Weird. Oh, it's a MIDI player. Okay, that makes sense.
Is this just a text editor? Oh! Hey, Control A doesn't work. Is it Super A? Oh, what the hell?
Oh.
That's cool. Oh, it's Alt A. Ooh, I don't like that very much. That's yucky. I mean, Alt accelerator, it's not... I don't love it, but if you control based, if you prefer control based, you can change it. Okay. Another good song. Be Happy, Be Book Fetch. What is Be Happy? Text selection is too short. I don't know. After you've gone through apps, check out. Oh yeah, we definitely will. We'll go through the repos and see what's in there. I wanted to try to play some games. Be Happy looks up documentation for class methods. What? Really? That's kind of interesting.
Huh.
Oh man, this is like late 80s synths. We got people, like a contact manager. Poor Man is some sort of web server. Oh, PE is a code editor. I see. Adjust the chair here. Serial connector. Gotta support serial connections. Software updater, checking for updates. Validating checksums. Oh! We got Bash. Oh, we got FFmpeg. Oh, I've got to figure out how to get my videos and stuff on this so we can try them out. If it has FFmpeg, it should be able to play our test stuffs.
Right.
It has Git, for real? So I could conceivably use this. So it's got Nano. This is familiar. It has Git. Oh my god. Synthwave is what you've been listening to lately. It's good stuff.
It even has VLC in the repos, apparently.
It has VLCs. Where is that thing? Sounds like chair's gonna break.
Yeah, mine too. It's not much better.
Thump. I'm sitting on the ground. Okay, I have my USB thing. We'll figure it out. I'll figure out how to get some files on here because I really want to try it out. Show more details? Oh, okay. Look at the icon. That's great. Dad joke time from Jaden. Okay, thank you for that. I appreciate you. Love the support. This is a nasty one. Here we go. Get ready for the tish.
Okay.
Time for a dad joke. Why was the developer unhappy at their job?
Why?
Because they wanted a raise.
But Tish.
That one was bad.
Yeah, it was.
Oh man, that one was bad. I haven't read that one out loud, and it's so much worse out loud than it is in your head. Oh boy, why did I just hear two of those? Now I'm gonna have to read another one? Thank you for that. That was incredible. Next ones are pretty good too. I'm gonna have to compile more. I wasn't expecting to go through these so fast. I'm gonna have to put more together. These are not original, I might add. I've just compiled them from various sources. But they're all programming related, which I think we all can understand. Oh boy, that was great. Good stuff. Can you give us an idea about the future of gaming on Linux? Boy, that's a tall order.
Yeah, it is.
Hold on, I got a crystal ball around here somewhere.
I don't even know if we can answer that.
I have a Funko Pop. Mr. Funko, what is the future of gaming on Linux? Do you think that it will be good or bad? So my own personal anecdote on the matter is I do a lot of gaming on Linux, and it was really, really good for a while. And then Valve released Proton 5.13, and it's like we took a huge step back and a bunch of stuff doesn't work anymore. So, I mean, progress is progress, even if it's sideways progress. As far as I can remember, that's the first time that they've released like a really super botched thing. Like I've got games that just don't work anymore. There's Elder Scrolls Online doesn't work anymore. No Man's Sky multiplayer doesn't work anymore. And then there were some other ones that Teal and I were trying to play.
Well, there was ones that, like, for instance, Phasmophobia, there's no voice recognition.
There's no voice, yeah.
But that's, like, deeper than just Proton.
So, I mean, it's progress.
I think after 5.13 gets, like, its fixes and all that, it'll be going in the right direction. But
Roblox worked on Linux for a while, is that right?
I think for, like, a brief moment it did, yeah.
Wow. Oh, I have 3 terminals open. Oh, this is nice. Got a nice little TV. And then Vision. Oh boy, what is this? Freenode. Oh, is this like IRC? It's cool.
What does the TV have to?
It's probably a way you can plug into... Oh, here's your browser.
Oh, like a TV tuner,
Oh,
maybe?
Let's see here. How do I open a new tab? This is kind of a cute browser, actually. I only play Overwatch on Linux. Overwatch runs just amazing. Really good. Reboot after update. We're getting there. We're getting there.
So the TV app is for TV tuners, okay.
Hey. Whoa. My thumbnails are butchered. What is going on? Why?
Not sure.
Look at the text in the thumbnails. They don't look like that for reals, do they?
No, I don't think so.
YouTube's no good in this browser. Okay. So we'll try a different browser. This isn't that surprising. Web positive is definitely one of the rough parts of the system. Oh, hey. Look, everybody, say hi, YouTube. You're on YouTube right now.
So the chat works.
The chat works, yeah. Otter browser's pretty good. Maybe you have YouTube DL. Can we download the stream? Like, as it's happening?
If YouTube is saving it, you can get up to this point, probably.
Hey, YouTube. Alright, so before we pull the plug on this, look at all these apps. Look at this. This is out of control. All these apps running. We even got YouTube going in the background. And how many applications? 44 running applications. We're using 900 megabytes of memory.
Wow. That is unheard of.
That is wild. Let's get the teapot going again. The CPU. Wait.
100%.
TRG, you had BeOS? We're really asking a lot from this thing. There we go. I'm really surprised at how well this system handles load. This is crazy. Can you do Henry Stickmin? Yeah, we'll try.
Still 200 frames in that little window.
Oh my god.
99% CPU usage, so it's not even maxed out yet.
I keep adding teapots and it's like barely even affecting it. Wow. I'm really impressed. It hasn't even done much with swap. Only 3 megs in swap. Alright, let's see if it can reboot without dying.
Oh, it's closing everything.
That was really cool. Yeah, it is a nice stress test. That's why I like doing it. I want to see what the system can handle. Not to like take my gloves off and take a swing at Windows, but when I was doing the Distro Delves episode, or maybe it was the comparison video, I can't remember. I had like 10 applications open on Windows, and it was so sluggish. Noticeably sluggish.
There has been an update since then that might have made it better, but I don't even know if it would.
We'll have Windows on the show eventually. It'll happen. It'll happen. Haiku, yeah, I did read that, Silvernode. Haiku uses stuff from FreeBSD, including the Wi-Fi drivers and stuff. BeOS was way better with multitasking at the time. That's really cool. Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't like that very much.
Oh, what happened? Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, that wasn't good. This is some sort of charting thing.
I have a feeling that's not working correctly.
Yeah, I don't know. That might be because I'm in a VM. Well, let's leave it open actually. We'll get the activity monitor going. So let's close this guy.
Oh, he says you need to change display to display anything.
Okay. Oh, I see. Like this, you mean? Oh, here we go.
Direct. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Okay.
Oh, here we go. Cool. So we're going through space.
Oh, hey, it's No Man's Sky.
Yeah, this is No Man's Sky right here. So this is where No Man's Sky got it from. What's the special battle? How do I turn that on?
I'm not sure.
Hello, world. Space screensaver. Spirals. Oh, there you go. And then it's gone.
Oh, wow, that's interesting.
Huh. Well, let's leave this on. This is really cool. Oh, star density. Yeah, let's crank this guy up. Oh, now it's more like, whoa. This is so cool. We got a clock. Why is it under demo?
I'm not sure.
Okay, and then when you click it, it changes.
Katie, are you watching? You should take notes.
Well, I mean, I think one of the things that jumps out to me about this versus KDE is if this was KDE, it'd be crashing constantly.
Yeah.
Like I would drag and drop something and the whole thing would just crash and then KWin would restart. Like, and I mean, it sounds like I'm joking, but I'm totally not. Like that's what would happen if I was playing with plasmoids and stuff. Something would break and it would crash. It would just be a matter of time.
Eventually, it would crash.
So this kind of looks like Jack. Yeah, I don't know. This stuff scares me. Audio stuff scares me. I'm getting out of here.
It is kind of like Jack.
We'll bring the teapot back. Everybody's favorite. Can I? Oh boy. Is this a big enough teapot for you? Oh, what did I just do? Oh, right-clicking puts it in the background, and then left-clicking brings it to the foreground. That's actually really cool. Oh, it's more than Jack. You can route video, also.
So it's kind of like Pipewire, I guess.
Wow. Mandelbrot.
Oh, so the demos are meant to show off features of APIs of some stuff.
Wow, that's cool. Show replicants. And then drag and drop it. Okay, that's just like images. I don't have any images right now. Pairs. This is a game.
Oh.
Wow, I'm really striking out. Oh, here we go.
Oh, it's like memory, okay.
Yeah, my memory's shot, so. Oh my god, I know that I hit. Oh, well, we're done here. This game's too hard. It cheats. The game cheats. This is the problem. No MIDI devices. Ooh, the display's starting to crap out. Look at that.
Oh, yep.
That might be a VirtualBox thing, though. Playground. Oh, I couldn't figure out how to get this thing to work. I don't really know what it does. Click and drag to draw an object. Oh. Oh, okay. Well.
Oh.
We got pulse audio. TRG wants to boot up their Haiku VM. Anybody remember the B-Box computer?
I haven't heard of it.
I remember.
Time to look up pictures.
Yeah, check it out. And then Sudoku.
You know, it doesn't actually look that bad.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. There. Wait, where'd the CPU usage go? What? When I switch CPUs, everything on the other workspace stops? That's different.
Useful, actually.
Mm-hmm. Haiku is Linux done right. So far, I'm really impressed with all of this. GL Teapot doesn't bother using CPU when it isn't displaying anything. Boy, that's different.
That's very different.
Ah. What was I doing? I lost track of things. Oh my god, look at all the preferences we have to go through.
Oh,
Lot, you might install this on a VM. You should. This is fun.
Screensaver, repositories, all kinds of stuff. Oh.
You just change
There you
the
go.
color, basically.
You can change the image on it too.
Okay. That's fine. I'm kind of ambivalent to this. We got Bluetooth. We got to start the services up. Man, talking a lot. You got to tell people that Haiku is the new Linux. We got to get more contributors on Haiku. It's really cool to see how put together it is. I don't know if I'm going to go through all of these. Some of them are pretty self-explanatory just from the name. Here's your mailbox settings. Key map, media. Oh wow, fancy. Restart media servers. Hey, one of the Haiku guys, what's the display server? It's not X. So how does rendering the display work? Oh, look, it fades out while the screensaver's going. That's cool.
Oh.
Haiku has its own display server. So none of the tech debt or other BS from X, huh?
We still can't figure out our display server on Linux.
Yeah, X is just like a disaster. Everybody's trying to run away from it, but they can't get away from it. Haiku used to have X BeOS developers. Oh, interesting. This is so cool. I'm like just astonished. The more I use it, I had really low expectations because I know that Haiku is you know, like it's not there's you don't really hear about it. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool,
wow.
actually.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is like a time capsule, basically.
I love it. Is that it, basically? Oh, theme manager. What's sounds? Oh, I don't think we have sounds working though. Oh, there are no sounds. There's just nothing. Okay, well, it's an option. What if somebody created a distribution of Haiku with different themes, different sounds? What if? Because that is possible, right?
I would assume so, yeah.
Oh no, to do. Windows 2000, hold up. Wait a damn second here. Wow, this actually looks more like Windows. What is going on here? Okay, so if I apply this, how do I go back to... This is Haiku, right?
Yeah, this is Haiku.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you know what? Funky, I did read that on the blog, that there is a contest going. They want unique sounds for the OS. Okay. Want to put GNOME on this thing? Haiku does not endorse spins. Okay. More themes? Search for themes? Oh my goodness. Is there really gonna be like a ton of themes? Watch, there's like a KDE theme or something.
Yeah.
All right, let's apply Windows 2000. Oh, look, it moved it to the bottom. Oh my gosh.
The window decoration didn't change though.
You used to run the Stargate theme?
What?
Oh man, that's cool. The Matrix theme. Oh man, this is gnarly.
Wow, there's like... Okay.
You may not have the window decorator installed. Okay. Is it safe to say you're keeping this in a VM? I'll keep a VM of this around. Yeah, this is fun. Tune tracker. This looks like Windows. Wow. Moz Modern. I don't love this business. Like, maybe we could move it to the left or something. I'm just speaking from from a user's perspective. This just isn't my style. This is so funny. This could pass for Windows, you know? Like, this is just awesome. I have not been disappointed in any of this.
If you had the decorations and stuff installed, you could... That would basically be Windows 2000.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody would know, really.
You can move the desk bar via handles. Okay. Like right here. Grab this guy. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's freaking out.
Oh.
Oh, now what have I done? Uh-oh.
Oh, it's the compact mode, I think.
Okay. Desk bar preferences. Oh, okay, here we go. Man, there's a lot to this. And it's somehow so different. Like, I've never seen anything like this. Everything about this is fresh. Like, I've played with so many Linux distros, and we've had so many different OSs and stuff on the show. And still, this is so fresh. Like, it's just crazy. How do I get out of minimal mode, though?
That's a good question.
Now I'm stuck. Icon size? Let me jack this up. Oh gosh. The icons look great, though. You drag and drop. You grab and drag the dots. Okay, so let's grab these guys. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, that is weird, but okay, I'll take it.
Oh.
It doesn't feel the same on the left side. I think the right side is the way to go. Now just keep it over here. And we'll shrink you a little bit. Or try to. There we go. I think it's probably the icon size. There. That actually is pretty nice. I think I could probably get used to that if I had to. Huh. Very cool. Wow. So what was that? That was like the default apps and stuff? Okay. Next up is networking, but we can't really do that from a VM, unfortunately. Or I'd have to sit down and like figure it out. I didn't see a networking thing actually, now that I think about it.
Well, we know networking works.
Do we though?
Because you opened the browser and went to YouTube.
Well, I'm talking like connecting to my. Oh boy.
Oh, you mean
what was that?
Printers and stuff.
Streamlabs is yelling at me. I've got to turn those off. Or maybe, you know what? Maybe I'll just change the sound. I'll change it to like, everybody have fun tonight. Just like out of nowhere, that just plays and nobody knows what the hell's going on. We're gonna do that. The default Streamlabs sound is not good. All right, let's find the browser. Why is this backgrounds thing following me? Okay, so if I wanted to connect to a machine on my network, how would I do that? Try the bridge connector on VirtualBox and connect it. I think it is. Change it to something synthwave. Yeah. The default is NAT forward. Well, NAT forward should work. I'd find one of my other computers on my network. By default, tracker runs in spatial mode. Okay. Oh, is tracker what I need, maybe? Home? Oh, this is tracker. Volumes. Oh, this is a weird song. I don't really like it. Oh, it uses dot files. Disk files and things. All right, let's try to mount this. See what it does. Plug that in and then VirtualBox should pop up. Let me see if I can tell VirtualBox to mount that. Storage, USB. Oh, I don't remember how to do this. It's been a while. You guys can't see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to tell VirtualBox to pick up my USB. Haiku loads dots files, everything goes under config. Okay. We do shared folders. I've never had good luck with that on VirtualBox though.
There should be a way to like pass through the USB, right?
Yeah, I'm usually it pops up and it's like, hey, VirtualBox USB support is flaky. Here's to hoping that things don't blow up. Well, it didn't even detect my USB. I plugged it in and it didn't do anything with it. Trying to think of another way that we could get the test files onto this machine. I don't know. We might have to save that for the next episode with Haiku. You need host editions? For USB to work, you need host editions? Really? That'd be kind of a pain. I know that you need host editions for drag and drop. So is this really a sandbox? Well, I wonder if, can I SSH onto my machine? Let me try.
Oh, through Haiku? I don't know.
Well, it wouldn't be my machine. It'd be like another machine. I don't have another Linux machine running right now. Yeah, somebody said, I have an idea. We're gonna try this. It's gonna go black for you guys for just a moment, but I'm gonna change the network situation. If I remember how. I don't use VirtualBox very often. Okay, so change it to bridged. start backup, and then I can SSH onto my machine and then copy stuff. What language is it? It's Bash. The console is Bash. The console. So we got network. Let's open a terminal. Yes, thank you for the network thing. We have SSH. All right, so let me get my IP address.
This is going to be interesting.
I don't think it'll work, but it's worth trying. For real, though? Well, I wasn't expecting that to work, to be honest with you. Huh. Okay. Now what do we do? Do we have rsync? Like... We have SCP, so we could use that to copy the files over. Could I mount it? I'd prefer to do it that way. Can I mount a network share here? I don't remember the SCP commands. I'd have to look it up. You can install rsync using, okay, well, let's use rsync. Man, we're really going off script here.
Yeah.
You can kind of mount NFS, but it's flaky. Okay. I'm gonna have to set up all my stuff though. Maybe I should just be able to put it into a folder and copy the folder over. I gotta open stuff though. You know what? Now's a good time to play some tunes while I do this and try to figure all this out. Thanks for replaying. So this is the part where I'm going to crank up the music. And we're going to play some songs. And you guys will have to guess what it is. You have to. It's not optional. Crank it up just a bit. And here we go. Oh, Teal, I wish you could hear it.
I mean, I can unmute for a second.
Yeah, you could actually. You could mute and then tune in.
Oh, I don't remember that song.
Yeah, you do. No snaps. Fox, wolf, fox, doggo. After all, I knew it had to be something to do with you. I really don't mind what happens now and then, as long as you'll be my friend at the end. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman, my kryptonite.
I played that song so many times in Rock Band.
And you don't know what it is?
I don't remember the name of the song.
Oh, TL. Funky, you played this song a lot on stage? Spin Viking, Three Doors Down, yep. Where cynical are you going to do Plan 9? I am, eventually. Alright, let's see if I can get this right the first time. We want to do... Can I just say that? Nope. Hey!
Oh, here it all comes.
It's gonna take a little while because the files are pretty big. English Bob. English Bob drops in right as the music's going. I gotta turn it down for myself. I want to sit here and just listen to the music is the problem.
Yeah.
I'll put that in the background so I can like hear I can hear you all talking in chat. No, that doesn't make sense. Good to have you here, English Bob. I'll have you know that your streams were a big inspiration for me starting these streams. Are you using Intel card? If you're not, it might lock up. Oh, I remember reading that actually. I remember reading that. Oh, it's dead. Yep, it's dead. And that's all she wrote. Who's next? This is a good one. Alright, I gotta pull the plug on this guy. Alright, Teal, you're gonna have to bail so you can hear it.
Bail?
Wow. Yeah, you gotta listen to the song. What does it think it's doing? Alright, it's black again. I gotta switch the network driver. Which Intel do we want? I gotta switch to Intel. Because there's 3 of them. VirtualBox PC. Somebody filed a bug. Intel MT. Okay. All right, let's try this one. See, nobody's talking about this one. This is a song by Trapped. It's probably a bit more obscure than others.
I've heard it before.
Yeah. Alright, well. Might have to pass on this. The music's great. Oh, okay. Well, we'll keep it going then. This is one of my favorite songs of this genre. It reminds me of a time of my life. It was pretty rough, but, you know. It's all good. Sometimes you want to remember the bad times. Alright. Oh no, what's my IP address? I don't remember how to do this. I wanted to save the commands, but it crashed on me before I could. Alright, let's try it. rsync avz. One of those commands didn't work. I don't know which one it was though. I have so many network addresses. I have to like parse this. We got Docker and all this stuff going on. Oh no, it didn't work. Crap. Did we get anything? Like, did we get... No. Ah! Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this. Because...
I don't know if that's gonna work.
Yeah, because I gotta... Oh, wait. Cannot reserve host name. Oh, EG at. Hi, I know how to network, I swear.
He does run gaming servers, so
yeah.
I can
run
attest
servers, I'm a developer IRL. I know how this stuff works, I swear. It just I'm just acting. I pretend like I don't know what I'm doing. Alan Pope is live? Everybody's live right now. What are you guys watching me? You should be watching him.
What is he doing? Let's go.
I don't know.
Let's go and find out.
There we go. Wow, good time for the song to end. I got more too. But we'll come back to those. Oh wait, no, we want bring the synthwave back. Bring synthwave back. Make it great again.
Oh, he's doing a Q&A for Ask Ubuntu.
Oh, damn it. I gotta normalize the audio volume again. Ah. I hate working with audio. At least I'm capturing just the screen, so you're not seeing all the times I hit the super key and it cascades out. See, that's still too loud. All right, enough with the audio. Let's get the show back on the road. All right, now we can test this. Where did it put it though? If I do ls, where are we? For real though, where are we? Oh, I'm in config up here. How do I go back? Let's just start over. Oh, there we go. Oh, we won't be able to test the audio because we can't hear anything.
Yeah, we can't hear it anyway, but it should be fine.
What a mess.
We can see if it plays at least.
Wait. Is that really happening right now? Do you guys hear Benny Hill playing? That is not what I was expecting.
Did it work?
I think it did. It just started playing Benny Hill. What the fuck?
Everybody says it worked.
It scared me too. I didn't know where that was coming from. Oh man, that was bad. How can I prevent that from happening in the future? Let's go ahead and mute this. Oh my god. That is not what I expect to have happen. Oh, it just starts blasting Benny Hill. Well, that happened. I'm sorry for scaring people. I didn't expect audio to work. Oh Lord.
That's great.
So, that was AC3 that was playing. MP4. All of these are working. MP2. Perfect song to randomly click to make sure the audio is working. I know it was perfect. I'm trying to figure out the network commands, and then I run a rsync and it freezes everything, and then now Benny Hill is playing. Like but it's on me. I'm not making fun of the OS. It's me that Benny Hill is playing for. We actually include a non-crippled FFmpeg build. Wow. So I think all of these are going to work.
Yeah, I think they will too.
This once again, this is better than some Linux distros. Man, I was not expecting this. WMA? Oh my gosh. All right, now it's time. I think that the videos are going to have a hard time. Okay. Or not.
All right. DivX is playing. Doesn't have audio though. It doesn't look.
This player is really nice. Okay, so if you go back to DistroDelve's episodes, this AVI file is using the DivX codec, and it doesn't work in most distros.
Right.
And it just played it. It wasn't great. Yeah, you're playing Overwatch on Haiku. This is crazy. Ooh, this one's having a struggle. But I wonder if it's because I'm in a VM though. Like
It could be.
I don't know how much of this is Haiku's fault. I love every time it freezes, the CPU drops out. So that one was a heckin' struggle. Okay, this one's another struggle. Bare metal is faster, yeah. Watching this on mobile.
But it's playing, so.
Oh wow, WebM is way better. VP8. I mean, it's not great, but it's way better. Oh, and VP9 is a no-go. This is a really freaking nice media player, though. Like, look at the audio down here on the right.
Mm-hmm.
And the volume slider is right here in the middle. It's nice and big. This is like a nicer UI than VLC, in my opinion. Why would you use VLC over this? Just preference, or is there... Like, because sometimes on Linux, VLC will behave better with restricted codecs. Like, for example, Totem or GNOME Video sometimes won't play stuff even if you have the codecs, but VLC will.
Right.
Wow, I'm stunned. And that's it. I think those are all the files, yeah. I mean, the thing is, it played them. I can't testify to the quality because this is a VM, but it played them.
Yeah, it did play them.
Wow. Oh, archive files, darn it. I don't have those ready. I use VLC mainly with anime because you can select the audio track. Oh, yeah, I could see that. Yeah. Give Haiku more CPU cores it can handle. You know what? You say that, let's give it a try. I'm going to shut this down and I'm going to throw more CPU at it and we'll see if we can smooth it out. Look how fast it shuts down. Wow, this thing is... I'll tell you what. Give you 4 cores. Still running on 1 gig of memory. The media player in Haiku isn't the best for anime. No ass support. Like no what are they subtitles. VP9. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, it's still having a struggle. It's better, but where'd Teal go? Teal?
I'm here. I'm still here.
You went quiet on me.
I tend to do that.
This is better. Yeah, I think that this is good. Well, I say that.
Well,
then I play this
they're playing a lot better now. At least most of them are.
Yeah. Now we're talking about snaps in chat. You know, speaking of snaps, apparently Alan Pope is live right now. Okay. Oh, printer support. Do we have printer? P for printer. I didn't detect my thing, but I don't know if virtual... This, again, might be a VirtualBox thing. HP DirectJet, so it would pick up my printer, so this is probably a VirtualBox thing. And then I saw a Bluetooth controller. Yep. So Bluetooth, we already went over that, but I'm crossing it off now. Still don't know about Samba or network discovery. Printer support is a little spotty. Yeah, I don't know. So the only open question I have for you Haiku folks is how can I discover printers, or how can I discover computers or file shares on my network? Does it support DLNA or Samba or any form of discovery? You need to install Samba Fuse to get Samba support, but there's no discovery. Okay. It is what it is. Now it's time to look at some apps. Haiku Depot. Uh-oh. I want to make it bigger. There we go. Oh boy, that was another notification. Thank you for whoever that was, or whatever that was.
Somebody subscribed or something?
I shouldn't have those turned on, but maybe. Huge respect to this project. Yeah, this is incredible. This project I'm blown away. I don't have anything negative to say about it yet, There's still time. What distro could not find? This distro could not find your printer. Please check the Slayer program. All right, let's give it a try. Slayer. Yeah, if there are apps that you want me to look at, let me know. Slayer. So, I'm gonna be real with you guys. This Haiku Depot, and you can be logged in and stuff. This is more solid than some software centers.
Yeah, actually, you're right.
Check for updates, rate the package. You have to log in to do it. Like, I mean, this is wild. And people are this was in August, so somebody rated this recently. The best part of Haiku is that it's not Linux. Why? Yeah, why? I think it's cool that it doesn't use a Linux kernel. I think that's one of the things that makes it cool. It's open source anyways. So, like, who cares? As long as it's open source, it's good, right? Oh, what is this? Oh, look at the CPU. Or look at the display. Oh, I want to get this on hardware. Wow. Input server, and it's a picture of a joystick. This is really cool. A lot of Haiku's deep system integration is possible because we have our own kernel. You can make a single commit and change everything from a driver all the way up the web browser in one repo. Oh wow, that's wild. Huh. There's always Mindtest. Is Mindtest in here?
Oh, I wouldn't be surprised. You can look.
Slayer is a must-have utility to kill anything that is acting strange and not closing. Oh, right. There it is. Wow. All right, we'll do that in just a second. I just want to go down the pack. Oh, these are featured packages. Okay. Man, my voice is starting to give out. Constant struggle with my voice. Beezer, similar to WinZip. I don't even know half these. Haiku can do virtualization. Yeah, we could try VLC. That's a good idea. Open source, yeah, it's awesome. You're sounding a little hoarse. I know. I'm trying to take better care of my voice. Like I'm monitoring my voice. I don't think I'm talking too loud, but my voice is going out. Shame. Calling this distro.
I was gonna say I don't know why your voice is doing that.
I don't know. OS Odyssey. Thank you, Joel. That is an excellent name. OS Odyssey. It was a joke on the doggy. Just scroll the list and install stuff. Actually, that reminds me, just as an aside, I don't know if they're watching. Just take a sip of water. I've got a whole thing of water, courtesy of Linode. They sent me this water bottle, and that's what I'm drinking out of right now. It's this very nice green water bottle with a orange, like, lid thing, and I've been using it for a long time. Good folks. Recommend Linode. If you're looking for a VPS, Linode's a good choice. So I was playing Overwatch yesterday, and I have a lot of friends on Battle.net on there because I play with people and I like them, so I add them. And there was somebody named CPU ID, and they were online, and I was like, hey, you want to play a game? And they were like, sure. And while we were playing, they were like, hey, EG, what distro are you going to look at? And I was like, oh my God. That was like the coolest thing I've had happen. It's like this person that was on my friends list asked me what distro I was going to be reviewing. I don't know. It doesn't sound like much, but I thought it was really cool. And I don't know if they're watching, but if they are watching, I just want to say, you rock. Krita from KDE on Haiku.
That's interesting.
Let's get it. You should join Lot for Overwatch. I love Overwatch. It's like my favorite.
We tend to play daily, so.
Yeah, I play it like every single day. It's like my favorite game. Hey, wins free BSD. Soon. We'll get BSD.
I am curious, but I doubt it has it. Does this have Steam?
No. There's no Steam. Super.
I was gonna say I doubt it.
A cool NT-like let's get that. Telegram? Who the hell ported Telegram to Haiku? Like, what mad lad was like, hey...
It says it's an official package, so maybe the Telegram team did it?
No, it says it's unofficial.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, somebody else did it then.
We already listened to this song. Arduino? There's all this stuff I would not expect to be on here. Applications. What did I just install? I don't remember what I installed. Teal, help. What did I do?
I lost it too. I forget which.
God. What have I done? Or maybe it's not done. Yeah, we'll go with that. Downloading. Oh, it's downloading a ton of packages. Oh, I see. All right. PE was one of the packages. Gotta get advanced. Oh, it's still installing Krita. Thank you. That's right. Haiku has open Morrowind? What the hell? This is a very full-featured operating system. All right, let's get back to the other music while we're waiting. All right.
So you could play Morrowind on this if you wanted.
You could legit play Morrowind, and before I play the music, I want to tell you guys my plans. I've started to stream games more on YouTube. I've got Twitch, and that's where I stream episodic games. Like if I'm going to play Daggerfall and I'm going to play it for like a couple days, I'll do it there. But I want to showcase how games run on Linux, but also now other operating systems. So if you see me playing Open Morrowind on Haiku sometime in the future, don't be surprised. Because why not? All right. Phil, you got to mute yourself because you have to tell me what song this is. Here we go.
Okay.
I'll just move it over here.
This is Creed, isn't it?
Yes.
I don't remember the song.
Keep in mind there's no 3D acceleration at all.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't know if it would run well, but you could play Morrowind.
3D drivers are really hard to port. We got to get more contributors on this thing. There's the name of the song.
Oh, I didn't hear it.
I love this song. It's one of my favorites. I have a lot of favorite songs. Like, I have...
Oh, isn't it Take Me Higher?
It's just called Higher.
Oh.
Or give us money to actually hire people. That'd be cool. Do you guys have a Patreon? Makes me want to hear the real thing, Pearl Jam. Thank you, Streamlabs. Thank you for whoever that was, whatever that was. Man, I'll be fixing that this weekend. If nothing else, I'll just change the sound so that it's not that, whatever that is.
Didn't Creed do a cover of that? Was that originally a Pearl Jam song?
No.
I was gonna say, I don't think so.
We do have LiberPay, so you can set up recurring donations that way. Okay. Open Morrowind runs pretty well, despite not having hardware acceleration. Well, I will look into how to support and promote Haiku. This is really cool. Yeah, I don't think that you could get NVIDIA to work on this at all. The open source NVIDIA driver is already really a challenge, and NVIDIA wouldn't spend their time on this. Not in a bad way, but they just wouldn't. Mitchell Valentino with the $4.99. Thank you, good sir. That is incredibly kind of you. And I appreciate that, and I think that everybody is going to appreciate this. Good God, everybody. You're a group of very good, welcoming, helpful people. Creed was an artificial Pearl Jam. I mean, they were like after Pearl Jam's peak, I think. As Pearl Jam was really big in the 90s, and then Creed was really big in the 2000s. Why was the function sad after a successful first call? It didn't get a call back.
Oh.
That was a deep one. That was a deep cut. Why was the function sad after a first call? It didn't get a call back. Man. Nasty. Man, I feel dirty. I am the function. My lord, that joke. Yeah, that was a bad one. God, some of these are like getting punched in the stomach. Rip. I'm running low on jokes. I have one left on this on this sheet of paper. I was not expecting to go through them. We went through a lot of them the last time too. We went through like 3. I also want to. What's that?
When you would lock your screen on Instant OS, it always had a good dad joke.
Oh like, yeah, it did, didn't it?
Yeah, I can't remember. Like anytime I locked my screen, I didn't laugh. That was great.
Yeah, this is taking a really long time. But look, it's installing Qt 5. Like this is a massive package. This is probably like a couple hundred megs, if not more. Just start grabbing jokes from the Fortune command. Anybody know this one? Where did the name Haiku come from? I mean, I asked where the name Shredder came from, and they didn't know. This installer is faster. The installer is faster than installing programs.
Oh, there it goes. Now it's getting somewhere.
Haiku's got Fortune GUI. I mean, haiku it's not a Japanese thing. It's a type of poetry, but I don't know how it's related to BeOS. Oh. Haiku comes from the BeOS web browser, which had haikus for error messages. Oh, nice. That's interesting. That's good. I think this is a song you would like, Teal. The plural of haiku is haiku.
Almost all of these I think I've heard at some point.
Yeah, I figured you'd be big into Switchfoot. Haiku is POSIX compliance? Is compliant? Really? That's interesting. I did not know that. Huh. How is it compliant? It doesn't even use the Linux kernel. I mean, I guess it doesn't need to because Mac OS is also POSIX compliant.
Right. Well, isn't Mac OS? It was originally based on FreeBSD, wasn't it?
It was based on. Yeah, it was Darwin, and then I don't know actually. It's very easy to port CLI apps from Linux to BSDs. Whoa. To be fair, this is a pretty good test of the package manager because to install and use Krita, it needs to also install Qt and all of this extra stuff. So from our perspective as users watching this happen, it's just downloading and installing stuff. But from Haiku's perspective, everything's got to be compatible with Haiku. It has to go to the right places. Everything's got to be linked correctly and everything. So this is cool. macOS Darwin is based on the mock XNU kernel. Okay. Where did we get BSD from? Because I thought it was BSD related too.
I don't know. I always thought it was BSD.
Yeah.
At least related in the beginning.
Lot, you haven't heard this song in ages? I forgot about this one. When I was digging through songs to play, I was like, oh yeah. I just like the shouting. Hollering.
As Jade comes in shouting.
Yeah, bring Jade in. Put Jade on the phone. Woof, woof.
That would be way too loud.
The second person that you're hearing is Teal 1500.
That'd be me.
What distro are you running, Teal?
Currently for an OS.
Or as he prefers it, Dominic Hayes OS. Teal 1500. What was that game that you streamed on Twitch?
Oh, like yesterday? Day before yesterday?
I think it was day before yesterday, yeah.
That was What Remains of Edith Finch.
That game was incredible. I could not stop watching it. Mitchell, you actually used BeOS. Wow. If you could give a TLDR on What Remains of Edith Finch, how would you describe it?
TLDR would be exploring family history that was weird.
Wow.
I guess.
That is one way of underselling it, yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely underselling it quite a bit. It's way more than that, but it's... Yeah. That would be the TLDR.
It was good. It was really fun to watch. So, I know that we have a lot of folks that were maybe playing games in the 90s, PC games in the 90s in chat. There is a game that I want Teal to play. And I'm gonna try to... Are the repos slow or is your internet? The repos could be slow, but this is also huge. So there was an FMV game from the 90s. You guys remember what FMV games were like, right? I don't remember the name of the game. I think that Pushing Up Roses did a review on it that was really good. But you play as this guy that wakes up like with amnesia, and he's in this really super surreal world where things just like aren't right, and it's really creepy. And at the end, it turns out that he's part of a program where they're trying to like turn him into some sort of like killer. And you can choose to either like die or be like, okay, I'm gonna be a killer or something. I'm not describing it well because like it's so weird. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's incredibly creepy because it's FMV, and FMV games were just creepy. But the story was really surreal and just weird, and I think that Teal would really, really like playing it.
Amnesia? No.
It's not
like
it's not
Amnesia.
It was like 95 or 96. What was another popular one? Anybody remember a game called Phantasmagoria? That was another really creepy game.
Phantasma what?
Phantasmagoria. So the synopsis of Phantasmagoria, another FMV game that's super creepy. The install completed. VLC was grayed out. Oh, okay. VLC was grayed out though. Here we go. So this has to install a bunch of additional stuff. Okay. Magic Guitar Man, you were guessing Phantasmagoria. Another really super creepy FMV game. So it's about this woman who I think is maybe a writer or something, and her husband move into this this really big but old and creepy house where this I believe that he was like a circus coordinator dude lived, or maybe like a magician, and he had bye y'all, please get to the last dad joke, thanks. He had all of these wives that they all just like died, and for questionable reasons. Oh, I have to. No, don't just start playing music. I mean, this is a really good song, but I don't know if you guys can hear it. I wouldn't be able to let this play anyways. I'd get in trouble for that. All right, that's enough stories. Let's see if Krita will work. I don't really have anything to play though, or to open, I mean. Yep, there it is. Haiku has retro share. There you go. Didn't work.
Missing libraries.
Been using an alt account, still got nothing. Haiku has a lot of stuff, but I mean, we could probably find Boost, right? And we have to drop into the terminal. The terminal. RIP system win. Soon-ish. Package manager search. Boost. Oh my goodness. There's a lot going on here. Did it say which boost?
Yeah. So apparently that error means that the system boost and Krita's boost are different.
So boost 169, you think? Oh my god, a terminal! Do you name? Well, can I open a tab? I can. There you go. Haiku Shredder. This is the Shredder. Be cool to see this rise from the dead.
Oh, like Garuda?
Yeah.
It kept coming back to life.
That was so weird, man. We could not put Garuda down. All right, let's see if that worked. Can we get PowerShell up and running? There it is.
Yeah, I was thinking it was probably a missing library.
There it is. We got Krita. Oh, wait. Is it supposed to be? Yeah, this looks okay. Oops. Yeah, okay, so it's maximized by default. There you go. Krita works. Haiku Depot. Didn't find boost though. It's your response for when people say the terminal's too hard. I mean, some people don't like the terminal. I don't blame them. I don't like to do everything from the terminal. Haiku save system snapshots. Okay.
It scares new users too. That's the main reason people are scared of it.
Yeah. Open with media converter. Is it not done installing? Oh, it thinks it is. You got to select all packages. I think all... Did I not?
You're on featured packages.
Okay, so open VLC. And there it is. Wow, it's very Haiku-ified.
Yeah.
See if this plays any better. Oh, it won't play at all. VLC may not have file association. It was only ported months ago. It doesn't want to play. Oh, there we go. It's so funny that it's able to play the DivX codec like perfectly, but not the others.
Well, remember when I was setting up cadence and all that on Parent OS? VLC refused to play DivX.
Yeah, it's having a heckin' struggle. Sometimes it works really well, and then other times it falls apart. This isn't what it does on the other not browser, but media player though.
Well, it struggles in the beginning, and then it plays the rest of it.
Oh, this is what you guys were talking about. So
yeah.
if I type in boost. There it is. Wow.
Look at retro.
All right. It's 11:30 for me. And that means that we're just about out of time, so it is that time, ladies and gentlemen, to see how we can wreck the system.
Let's see if it dies. I don't think it's going to, but we'll find out.
All right. Can we do an remove RF? Oh, okay. Oh. It came back.
Interesting.
Okay. So that's not going to work. Oh.
Oh. Oh, but it's rebuilding itself as it happens.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? See, this is what I'm talking about. It's going to be hard because so much of the file system is read-only.
That's impressive. Did it just rebuild the entire thing as it was being deleted?
I don't know, but it... Oh.
Oh.
Okay, LS is gone. Reboot's not there. Okay, let's see if we can get back in. It rebuilds itself, but the files are corrupted. Do they still exist? I don't know. Uh-oh. Is it hosed? Yep, that's it. Fatal keyboard error.
I was gonna say it would be impressive if it
I can't even.
Replaced it all as it was being deleted.
So since I think we have a lot of new people here in chat, what we do at the end of Distro Delves episodes is we burn it down. This is a throwaway system, so we're going to throw it away. And now it's dead. It did not live through the simple RMRF test. And now Haiku is dead. Well, you guys know what that means. Have a nice day. Garuda was a beast. We couldn't put it down. We're going to go out on this song. Boy. I hope you all have a good weekend. Stay healthy, stay safe. And you know what? Why don't you guys give Haiku a try? If you miss a stream,
try it.
Yeah, if you miss a stream, there's the VOD. Drop by the Haiku IRC. Woof, woof. What do you think, Teal? Was that a good time?
Yeah.
I had a good time. Thank you for being my co-pilot.
No problem.
Would have been rough to do this all by myself. And yeah, all of you stay tuned for next week. We'll be looking at another distro, may or may not be Linux. And I've got a surprise for you guys tomorrow. So keep an eye on this channel. Something good might be happening to it. Haiku's a fun project and the community is tremendously helpful. That's great to hear. I had a really, really good time playing with it. I have nothing but good things to say about it. The project is incredible. I'm very impressed. And I hope that you guys are too. Surprise tomorrow. There is a surprise tomorrow. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good one. Have a good weekend.